Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Viper, an app produced by Billy Finn and Justin. So guys, Viper is the world's first automated TikTok app that gets you unlimited free buyer traffic in 30 seconds. Yes, this is what these guys are saying that Viper will help you do. So guys, before I go any further, if it's something you like, don't forget to stick with me. I'll go into details giving you demo of how this works. But then again, don't forget to click the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button down below. So, what are some of the benefits of this app, Viper? So I'm going to take you guys to the sales demo. Let's see what they are saying. So this is the sales page. Okay, so like I said, it is the world's first automated TikTok app, gets you unlimited free buyer traffic in 30 seconds. And these are the benefits. So you have autopilot traffic in 30 seconds. You tap into 50 million daily visitors created by newbies, 100% new, fresh, and unique. No video creation and no audiences. You travel, enjoy life, and be free. So, but the most important thing, what I like here most, is that you have 365-day money back guarantee. Plus, you get results or you get paid $500. So if you use this app, you've got nothing to lose actually. You have a whole year to either, want it or not want it. So if you want it, you go ahead with the purchase. If you don't want it, you will be refunded. So basically, that is just what they are saying. It isn't a big deal. We've got nothing to lose really. So, and for TikTokers, those that are into TikTok, guys, you wouldn't want to miss this really. So I have shown you the benefits, and then stick with me if it is something you like, because I'm going to give you a full demo of how this really works. So this is actually sales from one of them. It says, yes, I want free buyer traffic and sales today. They made it at 387.27 and all that. So saying it just is an autopilot traffic, just 3 steps: buy it, grab a copy, and then log in to the app, and then tell the software where you want your traffic sent. Can be any website you link or you funnel, and then you relax and the software does its job for you. So this is just about the sales page. I'll take you guys to my bonus page. Don't forget, to get to my bonus page, all you need to do is to click on the link that I told you in the description box below. It takes you to my page, to my bonus page, and it looks something like this. And I will be adding 5 bonuses today, guys. So the first one, which is worth $427.95, is called the Invincible. You have access to the Invincible. I'm not going to explain what this does. If you want to know, just click and buy. Remember, with just $17, all my 5 bonuses will be added to you if you click on that link that I told you in the description box. And then the second one is for the $6.95. So you have access, on a hack to build your buyers list while profiting. The third is $344.95. And then you have access to content curation hack. The fourth is $267, and then you have access to Java commission bot. The fifth, of course, you have access to is a special models. You have access to all vendor bonuses. So guys, to have access to all of this, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page. And then if you sign in through Warrior Plus, to have my bonuses added, click on the blue button that says access affiliate bonus. Click on it. It will be added automatically. If it is through JVZoo, click on the box where you see the red arrow, then it will be added. So basically it's about the bonuses that I will be adding today, guys. Let's talk about the prices and then the upsells. So for the front end, it is $17. So with just $17, guys, you have all my 5 bonuses added, and basically you have access also to the software and training modules. The first upsell, which is the unlimited edition, is $39. So you have multiple templates, unlimited usage, traffic, and sales, and it also comes with additional tutorials. The upsell 2, which is the done for you edition, is $197. So his team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. The third upsell, which is the automated edition, is $39. So you will be able to activate all the automation tools with Viper. The fourth one, which is the done for you template club, is $39 also. So you get 200 customizable video templates that they use with Viper. And the fifth upsell is a Viper 50 times click and go campaigns is $39. So you get 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. And guys, that's about it. We've talked about the bonuses. I've told you guys about the sales, the upsales and prizes. And now let's go to the demo video. Let's see how that works. So once you sign in, guys, it brings you to this page. This is let's go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Actually, if you have issues, questions, you click on the support decks and then you submit a ticket and somebody will attend to you. And then this is for the, okay, let's click on the support button. So this is how it looks like. So create a support ticket, submit it, and then someone will attend to you. And then this is for the training. So I know if I click on it, nothing will come up because this is how far I can go. But with the dashboard, this is the front end, the Viper front end. Remember, with $17, like I told you guys, you have access to all of this: the dashboard, the TikTok maker, the video downloads, trending tags, trending hashtags, TikTok automation, social blasts, generate backlinks, connect Facebook and Instagram, all of this stuff, you have access to it. So, and then if you want to go further, you upgrade to the Viper Unlimited, then you have access to these two, the agency and the superhost. And then with Viper Auto Edition, you have access to the social autopilot, content autopilot, email autopilot, then the SMS autopilot, and also you have the e-commerce autopilot. So remember, guys, we've already talked about the prices and the upsells. So basically, this is what you get with this ones right here, those buttons right here that I'm showing you guys, is what you get for the front end. So I clicked on the dashboard. This is what comes up. So basically you have all of these buttons, the video downloads and stuff, and then latest deals from Warrior Plus, depending on what is showing on yours as you log in. And then the TikTok video maker, you see that this is the video maker for TikTok. And then you see, can also access video downloads, and then trending hashtags, and TikTok automation and all that, social blast. So basically you you can be linked to over 100 sources, all of this stuff right here, depending on which one that you are into. So you have access. You don't have to like log in and out. Just through in one app you can access all of that stuff. So guys, this is more like I think I would say is a good deal, considering the fact that you also have 1 year money back guarantee. So if it doesn't work as they promise, you can always be refunded. So I don't think there is anything to lose, guys. So yeah, so that's about it for the demo video. We have shown you how this app works right here, so there isn't much and you also can create new and use the video creator, or you can do the video downloads right here. So guys, that's it. That's about it. Don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page, which is my bonus page. So with that, with just $17, what I just mentioned to you guys, you'll have access to all of them. Okay, that's it, everyone. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for watching, and do have a good day. Don't forget to stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and also click on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, and click like, share, guys. Thanks, and you stay safe, and see you in my next video. Bye.